In another exciting facet of Charlotte's emergence as a national energy hub, UNC Charlotte has been selected as a finalist in the prestigious Solar Decathlon Challenge, sponsored by the U.S. Department of Energy.
Solar Decathlon is a competition to design and build a solar-powered house that is self-sufficient and is off the grid, so net zero energy building.
UNC Charlotte's selection to participate in the U.S. Department of Energy Solar Decathlon is perhaps the most prestigious opportunity for us to be part of a kind of international discussion on renewable energy and solar power. Students learn an extraordinary amount of real-world experience in a project like this.
Students from different departments are come together, like business, engineers and architects, and they work together to design and build this house. And then we take this house to the site, which is this time, 2013, is going to be in California.
I am really excited about this design we've come up with. And, architecturally it's really interesting and fun, but even more than that, we basically have two, what I consider to be major innovations. Concrete is the big pariah. It's a wonderful material. This whole building is made of it that we're standing in. This giant wall behind us is concrete. But and it's been used for thousands of years. It's a great material. The only thing is, in our modern context, it's got a huge carbon footprint. I believe that this is a real revolution that's going to have a major effect on housing and the entire built environment.
The material we're using in the Solar Decathlon house is a unique new type of concrete called geopolymer cement concrete. We manufacture the geopolymer cement out of fly ash, which is a byproduct of a number of industrial processes, most notably coal power production. So majority of the ashes that are produced end up being landfilled. But there are a number of beneficial uses. Geopolymer cement concrete is one of them, which allow us to not landfill them and actually make productive, economically valuable use out of those material. The opportunity that Solar Decathlon gives to a number of emerging technologies is that you're able to demonstrate it and really make clear that this stuff works. This is really the first big-scale demonstration of this material in a precast house. This is very likely going to be the first geopolymer cement concrete house constructed.
A second exciting innovation that we have in this house is revolutionizing passive solar heating and cooling. Basically, passive solar heating is where you let the sun into a building to heat it up, and passive solar cooling is where you, let's say, block the sun to not heat it up. Well, what we're doing is adding technology to that, which increases the efficiency massively. So we've revolutionized one ancient technology, concrete, and we're revolutionizing a second, passive solar heating and cooling, all in the same project.
Our Solar Decathlon house will have a dashboard and an energy management system that would help the inhabitants of the house manage their energy consumption. So the idea is to have a very nice display of what the house is consuming, and just the pure fact of showing what people are consuming helps them realize and helps them be more aware and reduce their consumption automatically. The reason why we're making the dashboard such a main theme in the house is because we're seeing that as being then the interface with other dashboard, from the neighboring houses, and then the whole neighborhood could communicate with the power grid operator and actually help the whole power grid being more efficient.
Each university is awarded a $100,000 contract with the U.S. Department of Energy. But generally speaking, the houses will cost anywhere from $400,000 to $600,000. So each team has to fundraise. It's a significant part of the Solar Decathlon project.
It's also great for our school. So I'm so excited that we got this position in the 2013 Solar Decathlon competition, and the whole opportunity that this brings to our school.